Welcome to Popular and Lockpicking and Locks. Boy, I want to show you the changes that are happening at Bunnings in the padlock section. The big change is this. Master lock. All where Lockwood used to be, we've now got master locks. And they're not cheap either. Have a look at them prices. Yep, and there's your Lockwood down there. And then you've got more master lock down there. And then your Santa codes. So what this tells me is Master Lock is taking over the padlock section of Bunnings. You've got a few Lockwoods there, but it's all becoming Master Lock. So they've obviously done a deal. Master Lock never used to be this obvious. And prices. And you've got some little Lockwoods. More master locks. The price. And just some. Have a look at that. Nice display model, but they've changed the whole setup. All of these Lockwoods used to be all the way up the top there, and you couldn't reach them. Had to get assistance to get a card down. But now they're all down here on these new little hangy things. But the thing is, they've all gone up in price. I'll take you through it. This little 3.3 C45 is 57. It's gone up $2. The 3.3B 45. It's gone up. 3.3M 64 bucks. That's gone up $3. Yes, has gone up $4. The 301 has gone up $3. 356S has gone up, and then we can only assume that one's gone up too at the end. So Lockwood's getting phased out. Master Lock is taken over. So they've obviously done a deal, and we all know quality of Master Lock. All this bike stuff used to be all the way down there. Now they've put it up there. So it's a shame. All this stuff never used to be here. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.